Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Government awaits feasibility report from Airport Authority of India on status of Shillong Airport. Government plans to construct Veterinary College at Kirdemkhla in Ribhoi. Preparation of DPR underway. Meghalaya government launches country's first fully digital lottery, easylottery.in. Khasi Author Society celebrates 45th anniversary, emphasizes significance of Khasi literature. And Manipur beats Meghalaya to clinch Under-17 Boys Super Toe Cup 2024. The news in detail. Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Sngau Bhalangdhar, in charge of transport, informed that the state government is awaiting a feasibility report on whether larger aircraft can land at Shillong Airport. The report, being prepared by a consultant appointed by the Airport Authority of India (AAI), is expected by the end of October. Dhar expressed hope for a positive outcome, emphasizing the government's concern regarding the issue.
Nearly we are yet to receive the final report with the consultant. So as soon as we receive the report, we will take a call. It seems the report is in the positive direction. They told they will submit last week of October as per the information from the consultant. So hopefully, and we as a government, we are very concerned on this. We are very much concerned on that.
Meghalaya government is contemplating to construct a veterinary college at Kirdemkhla in Ribhoi. Informing this, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister A.L. Haque said that the department already has around 800 acres of land and there is no problem with land acquisition. Hoping that the centre would soon accord sanction for the project, for which DPR is being prepared, he said that the proposed university would be of great help for the students of the state and the region.
Is it going to be and
we have preparations, the proposal, the concept notes to have the veterinary college in Meghalaya. So we propose this, we have got land in Kirdemkhla. So we propose for the veterinary college. Now we have land almost more than 800 acres. If we require 100 acres, 200 acres, the veterinary department has no problem to part the land for the veterinary college.
The government of Meghalaya yesterday announced the launch of easylottery.in, India's first fully digital lottery, in the presence of Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. The website easylottery.in went live on the occasion. With the first winner prize of 50 crore rupees, easylottery.in promises to be a game changer in terms of giving a seamless and transparent lottery experience, right from buying tickets to prize money dispersal.
I would really like to congratulate our Directorate of Lottery, our ERTS Commissioner Secretary, for having successfully launched the digital lottery, the online lottery, which is the easylottery.in. And the main purpose really of this is that today we are seeing technology play a very important role in almost every aspect of our lives.
A police officer from Laban Police Station, Ricky E. Marwen, was suspended on Tuesday for misconduct. The incident occurred on the night of September 9th, when a woman had gone to police station to report an assault by a taxi driver. Concerns were raised regarding the behavior of the officer on night duty, who was allegedly under the influence of alcohol, leading to an altercation. The victim received assistance from the Women's Police Station and a case was registered following her FIR. An inquiry by the Laban Sector Police officer led to swift departmental action and the officer was suspended as a result of his actions.
Yes, regarding yesterday incident in the Lapan police station that he misbehaved with the public while he came for lodging FIR and didn't entertain their FIR. So, inquiry has been conducted by the SDPO of Purusla, who is a sector officer last night, and a sector officer and also another hunter. And as per his report, so a suspension order has been issued, and accordingly, SI Ricky E. Marwain is suspended from today.
The Joint Action Committee JAC of the 3 polling stations including Misei, Mausmai and Langdongdai on September 10 held a public meeting at Langdongdai village to oppose the decision of the KHADC Select Committee to include 21 villages which fall under these 3 polling stations into Rambrai Jirngam constituency. These villages until now have been part of Mau Shinrut constituency for the MDC election. Residents of the 21 villages have decided to boycott the upcoming MDC polls if the KHADC refuses to revisit their decision. The Khasi Authors Society today celebrated its 45th anniversary and named it Literally Day at Sankardev College, Shillong. The occasion featured award distribution to students who excelled in Khasi subject across various categories to encourage their academic achievements. Shillong MP Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkan attended this gathering as the chief guest. In his address, Dr. Sinkon emphasized the significance of Khasi literature in uniting the people, promoting culture and fostering relationship among communities. The event also saw the launch of 2 books written by the Khasi Authors Society members.
Bahkan tersingsian yani pada yakin tolong kawai nanti akhir bahwa ia dapat Jackson bat pantai yang itu kecil nalon pakai itu pantai yang culture kami.
The Nongpo Traffic Police, in collaboration with the Auto Association, the Dorbar Shnong Nongpo and the Dorbar Shnong Mauro, conducted an inspection today to reinforce traffic regulations and parking rules. The inspection held at the main Nongpo area addressed issues related to unorganized parking and entry restrictions. The meeting concluded with a decision to immediately enforce the traffic regulations, including restrictions on entry and parking zones. In the early hours of September 11th, a Bolero camper loaded with fish driven by Abu Sadek and Mohammad Dildar Hussain of Assam was attacked by assailants while proceeding towards Nongpo. The incident occurred approximately 1:16 a.m. when the vehicle was intercepted at Shangbalang by an Assam registered alto. Following investigation, the alto was spotted near Paham's Aim and was intercepted near the Treasury Office in Nongpo. During the operation, police arrested 4 persons, Ricky Tangsang, Mustafa Lingdo, Kirshanbor Marwen and Shem Wardri. The Khasi Medicine Practitioners Association on September 10 inaugurated the Meghalaya Traditional Healing Clinic at Nong Sopian village in West Khasi Hills District. Advisor of the Government of Meghalaya, H.M. Shangpliang, attended the function as the chief guest. The clinic was funded through the Bioresource Development Center and will be managed by the Khasi Medicine Practitioners Association. The Executive Committee of the Dorbar Shnong of Maulai Mauro, along with the Managing Committee of the Mauro LP School, has introduced a lucky draw ticket initiative to raise funds for the school and support teachers' salaries. Rangba Shnong of Mauro, HBR Lingdo Nong Pure, underscored the village's dedication to the school, acknowledging the collective efforts of all families to support it. This initiative seeks to secure the school's future and the benefits for upcoming generations. RC Eve Secondary School yesterday celebrated World Literacy Day by organizing a special program at the school premises. Recognized by UNESCO, this day serves as a reminder of the crucial role that education and literacy play in the lives of individuals and society as a whole. The celebration was featured various performances such as music, dance, recitation and a drawing contest showcasing the diverse talents of the students and aiming to promote literacy and education among them. After a thrilling match, Manipur finally managed to emerge victorious after beating Meghalaya in the finals of the Under-17 Boys Super Tour Cup 2024 in New Delhi today. The match ended in a 1-1 draw and proceeded to the penalty shootout where Manipur defeated Meghalaya 4-3. Meghalaya are being represented at the national level tournament by Minken Christian Higher Secondary School of Ribhoi, which won the state level Super Tour Cup in July. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 24.2 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 17.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 88%, while in the evening it was 93%. Rainfall was recorded at 2.6 millimeter. Forecast: the Indian Meteorological Department has depicted heavy rainfall over Assam, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh for the next 6 days. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Government awaits feasibility report from Airport Authority of India on status of Shillong Airport. Government plans to construct Veterinary College at Kirdamkhla in Ribhoi. Preparation of DPR underway. Meghalaya government launches country's first fully digital lottery, easylottery.in. Khasi Athol Society celebrates 45th anniversary, emphasizes significance of Khasi literature. And Manipur beats Meghalaya to clinch Under-17 Boys Super Tour Cup 2024. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, have a good night.